For decades, industrial facilities have installed process analyzers directly at the measurement point, or inside special analyzer shelters located deep within hazardous zones. This conventional setup demands costly explosion-proof enclosures and exposes maintenance teams to unnecessary risks. But today, a paradigm shift is underway. With the advent of photonics-based remote sensing and in-situ optical analyzers, we're entering a new era, where sensitive and costly components are either safely relocated to centralized control rooms or integrated directly into the process, with no need for complex sample systems or special housing. The result? Dramatically reduced infrastructure costs, improved safety, and real-time process insights, without compromise. Instead of relying on slow, mechanically complex ASTM-based analyzers, modern refineries are now adopting optical analyzers based on near-infrared, Raman, and other spectral technologies. These advanced systems use chemometric models to deliver accurate, reliable measurements, without moving parts or elaborate sample handling. With the use of telecommunications-grade fiber optics, multiple field units can be installed directly adjacent to petroleum process streams, even up to 3 kilometers away from the analyzer, which remains safely housed in the control room. In the gas industry, preventing leaks makes it extremely difficult to sample gases from high-pressure pipelines. Traditional oxygen analyzers, such as paramagnetic, zirconia, coulometric, or TDL, are not built to handle high pressures, and therefore require gas extraction and conditioning before analysis. Modcon's optical analyzers eliminate this need entirely, enabling direct, in-situ measurement of oxygen content within high-pressure pipelines, safely, efficiently, and with uncompromised accuracy. Moreover, the use of highly reliable optical technologies supports compliance with functional safety standards. By design, these systems can meet the requirements for Safety Integrity Level 2. And with a redundancy-based configuration and well-established safety enhancement methodologies, achieving SIL 3 compliance is also within reach, making these analyzers suitable for the most demanding safety-critical applications. Now, add Modcon AI machine learning and advanced chemometrics into the equation, and you have systems that auto-correct, auto-model, and continuously improve. These advanced software platforms make process analytics not only possible, but automatic, scalable, and intuitive for operators. In a world demanding cleaner fuels, tighter safety regulations, and a highly competitive landscape, these optical analyzers are no longer optional. They're essential. This is not just innovation. It's transformation, made possible by Modcon's cutting-edge technologies, combining state-of-the-art photonics hardware with intelligent chemometric software. Speak to our specialists today for a free consultation and tailor-made solutions for your process analysis and optimization needs.